Hey, hi everyone. Welcome to another video in our AI tool series. So today we will discuss about numerous.ai. So this is a very powerful AI tool which we can use, for sheets as well as Excel. Okay. So this tool, what it does is it uses ChatGPT inside the Google Sheets and Microsoft Excel, and can create content for us and extract keywords from the data that we provided in these sheets to it, as well as classifies and summarize the input. Okay, so it's easy to use. No API keys are needed, and it's okay, fast also. And the major use cases are, if you see in their, this is their website. So we'll go through the numerous AI in action, but this is mainly used by content creators to generate topic ideas and product variants of posts addressing different audiences, and also social media schedules. It's used by digital marketers to efficiently organize and create Facebook ads, AdWords copy, SEO keywords, and digital marketing material for agency clients, by students and researchers to summarize, categorize, and data in Google Sheets and Excel. So this one, summarize, categorize data in Google Sheets and Excel, is a major one. Uh, AI will help you to do the Excel work very quickly. Product engineers and managers to give various prompt, experiment with various prompt structures and prototype AI features, and collaborate on GPT input and output. So these are the major use cases of numerous.ai. AI. Okay, so it can allow us to research and organize digital marketing campaigns. So it can generate AdWord keywords for us, add copy also for us, Facebook campaign structures for us, add titles for us, SEO content for us. So whatever is a grunt work associated with digital marketing, this AI can help us with that. It can also help us summarize, categorize, classify, and cleanse. So if you have a large body of open-ended text articles such as articles, surveys, social media or content, and we can give it to this numerous.ai, and it will summarize it, rewrite it, and extract the content, and also classify the content into categories. So if you see, act to the customer rep, like that we can give this. AI is like a function which it has, and we can give a prompt, and based on the prompt it does the. Okay, so this is a major thing. You can ideate and create content also. Okay, and this is just an example of the numerous.ai in action. So that's the numerous AI in action, guys, and that's what we can use it for. This is a paid one, numerous AI. So the plans are there for this particular tool. Yeah, let this load, but it costs $8. That's a basic plan that is there. So the way you need to add this tool is you need to go to add-in, okay, and in the add-ins you'll get like this, okay. So you'll get, I already added it, so numerous.ai, but there are other tools also like GPT for Excel world, Chat GPT for Excel, and various add-ins are there which you can add in into your Excel, which will help you to do the spreadsheet or Excel work very quickly. Okay, so that's what we need to do. So once we do this, if we have data here, we can do the functions that are there and get the results. Let me open another Excel sheet. Yeah, so these are the plans that are there with numerous.ai. So for individuals, personal one is $8 per month. First 7 days is free trial, and for professionals, $24 per month, and for teams, $68 per month per user. Okay, and these are the plans that are there. Okay, So this is the tool, guys, which is an AI tool to help you in Excel as well as Google Sheets analysis. Okay, so we need to have some data, then it can work. So let me just take some Excel. So if you do this, so this is the sheet that is there. Then in the add-ins, once you add these tools, then they'll appear here like this. It will appear. Okay, so it will appear here like this on the left side. Yeah, we need to log in. Let me just give an example of some free tool. Okay, so Numerous is a paid one. Let me use this ChatGPT for Excel. So see this ChatGPT for Excel. This is also similar tool. AI Ask is a function within it, and you can ask AI. Okay, and free trial has 298 AI calls for this one. So if you do AI Ask, it will do the functions for you. Okay, and we have numerous.ai. We need to log in, and you need to get a paid version to do the analysis. So similarly, there are other tools also like GPT for Excel also, which will help you to do the work quickly. Okay, so that's it, guys, for today. Thanks everyone. Have a nice day. Bye.